Welcome. I am Melanie Mataji, and I am warmly inviting you to come to our March 29th Spring Soul Shelter Showcase, which is going to be supporting Street Dogz with a Z, a local nonprofit organization that helps the homeless community and their pets. It's a beautiful operation and has been in business now and operating now for over 20 years. So we do warmly invite you to come by. We will have 7 vendors here at this showcase, all highlighting beautiful crystals, jewelry, organic fresh skincare, energy healings. I'm going to open up my closet again and offer some beautiful coats and scarves. We're doing tarot readings this time as well. Don't forget the diamond elixirs are also going to be here. March 29th from 2 to 6. Our Spring Soul Shelter Showcase benefiting Street Dogz with a Z.
Hello, I'm Ray Indigo, and I'm the founder of Formula Flawless. We make fresh skincare, so it's not only organic, everything's made fresh every week, and it's high efficacy, which means we nourish yourselves really from the inside out, because healthy skin is actually beautiful skin. Just in a couple of months, we can take anywhere from 5 to 15 years off using our different protocols. For the upcoming Soul and Shelter Showcase, we have our Formula 19. This is a super antioxidant serum. It's good for all skin types. It's gonna brighten, tone, lift, and it smells like an organic, juicy fruit. Looking forward to seeing you in the upcoming Soul and Shelter Showcase. It's gonna be divine.
Aloha friends, it's Christy with Auntie Two Hands. You might know me for some of my copper onks. And of course, you're gonna be seeing me this upcoming March at the Kundalini Sanctuary on March 29th, where we are going to be featuring another Soul and Shelter Showcase. At the event, you're going to be seeing some of my crystal crowns, bracelets, necklaces. I've made some beautiful pendants. I have to showcase one of my auction items, which is going to be this beautiful carnelian necklace. It is made hand knotted with silk, 111 beautiful faceted beads. So if you're ready to fire up that goddess within you, this may be the piece for you. So we look forward to seeing you in March. And again, it's Christy with Auntie Two Hands. We'll see you soon.
Hi everyone, my name is Nick and I am the owner of Crystal Solutions. I am so excited to be back at the Kundalini Sanctuary for our 3rd Soul and Shelter Showcase. Anywhere from my $5 mini carvings upwards to my massive statement pieces. I'll also have some custom framed crystal grids up for grabs as well. Whatever it is you are looking to add to your crystal collection, please let me be your solution. I am doing a amplify and cleanse the energy around you, including this massive selenite lamp, a selenite sphere, and also an organite pyramid. So make sure to get your entries into the pick a prize. There are some beautiful prizes up for grabs. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Here at the Kundalini Sanctuary, Saturday, March 29th from 2 until 6 p.m.
Hi friends, this is Lisa with High Vibes. I am inviting you to our wonderful Kundalini Sanctuary on March 29th. And let me tell you a little bit about myself. My whole entire business is all about healing, health, wellness, raising your vibrations and your frequency, and feeling good every day, all day. So let's start with the first item. This is our beautiful pyramid. This is one of the organite pieces we do. We do so many different things with organite, necklaces, all kinds of jewelry, hair care. The next thing that we have are these gorgeous elixirs. These elixirs help to really kind of target you on a cellular level. You could feel them. They work incredibly. So this is a gorgeous piece. It's a long flowy dress, and look at that gorgeous gold. So we hope to see you at our wonderful 3rd event at the Kundalini Sanctuary on March 29th.
Oh hey, my name is Jen. I'm the Kundalini Sanctuary's resident witch. I'm gonna be there doing little mini 10-minute chakra alchemy hands-on healing sessions. So come see what that's about. We'll do a little consultation afterward, talk about your chakra system and how you can improve and make yourself feel a little bit better, right? Come through, it's free.
Hi, I'm Jess. I am your local tarot card reader, and I will be offering readings with the Mother Peace deck during this showcase. The things I like about this deck are that it is well, one, it's circular, so it's much different than other decks. It has a lot of female imagery from different cultures around the globe and in different parts of time. My pick a prize raffle will be a free reading with me. We can set a time up to do that together either at the event or after. I'm local, so we could set that up on your own time. And I'll see you at the showcase.
So we have a beautiful array of women-owned businesses, entrepreneurs that we all are, a very creatrix vibe that you will be having a direct experience with. So we do encourage you to stop by, have some light bites. We always have music. Mariana from Cirque du Soleil is going to be here singing for us. And it's just a great afternoon vibe on Saturday, March 29th from 2 to 6, our Spring Soul Shelter Showcase benefiting Street Dogz with a Z. Again, I'm warmly inviting you to come by. I'm Melanie Mataji. Thank you so much.